Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Alter Tech, back again with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install the gcam on your Galaxy S10, S10E, or S10 Plus. Now this is only going to work with the Snapdragon variants, so you gotta have that Snapdragon 855 processor. So I'll leave the link in the description. This article is from Android Authority, well actually it's from XDA. I found it from Android Authority. So step number one, you gotta download this file. So you click it and it'll start downloading. We'll click here to start download. So once you download that file, just go back. If you can't find it, just simply go to My Files and go to Downloads, and it should be right over here. It's about 128 megabytes, so that could change. So once you have that installed, now you have to install a second file. Now this is pretty new to me. Usually there's only one file I need to install, but this, you're going to need the configuration file for your Galaxy S10. S10 Plus or S10E. So you would download the configuration file with step number 3, click it, and like I said, if you can't find it, go to My Files, go to the download folder, and it should be right over here, gcam zip. So click that, and then you click this. Okay, sorry. Once you click that, it's going to ask you to extract the files. So you're going to hit extract. Now I've already extracted it, but I'm just going to do it again for demonstration purposes. So I'll replace those files. So then you click it again, and now all those files are extracted. So what you want to do now, you're going to want to select all of these, and right here there's a move icon. Tap it. So once you tap that, you're going to have to find the folder where you're going to have to move it to. So I would suggest click the internal storage folder or go all the way back. So now this is the main section, or the main folder. So now you got to look for the gcam folder. It's right over here. So you just tap it, click on configs, and as you can see, I extracted it here already. So now what I want to do is, just for demonstration purposes, I'll do it again. I'll move them over here, replace them. So now I'm good to go. Now here's where it actually got a little kind of tricky for me. It's kind of confusing. They said to tap on the black area next to the shutter button. The black area next to the shutter button, there's a whole area. So what I did was I just double tapped this side, and look, a menu just popped up. So now you gotta choose the configuration, and the configuration they actually wanted me to choose was the S10 CSMAR XML. Now here's the thing, I'm doing this video for the third time because I just found out that you could actually use the wide angle lens. On the article they did say you could use the wide angle lens, but they didn't tell you how. So basically, all you gotta do is, for the wide angle lens, tap this button over here. So it switches the camera. So now we have the portrait mode. And now, you can see that we have the wide angle lens in effect. Pretty cool, eh? So now, this is pretty cool. We have the gcam for 3 lenses: the selfie, the wide angle, and the standard lens. Well, this should be awesome because I know the wide angle lens, it's not too great in low light situations as a telephoto and standard lens. So now I'm actually happy to try out Nightsight and to actually, do some sample shots with this. So I'll give you guys some sample shots tonight. I'll show you guys how it is. Now I was in the club, in the bar last night with my friends and stuff. We was chilling, trying to be more outgoing. Haven't been there like in, feels like, years. So outdoors, downtown Jersey City, there's lights everywhere, so it did do a pretty good job. But I want to put my boy on blast. Let me see, indoors. Now it did a pretty good job, honestly. I didn't use a flash on this one, but where we were chilling out right now, it's a lot darker than what it seems in this picture. So everything was pretty much exposed pretty good. Everything was pretty good. This is with the flash. I don't want to put my boy on blast. So low light situations, pretty good. Like I said, this looks a lot brighter than what it was originally. So I couldn't even see their faces or anything. That was pretty dark. So like when you're in a bar or club sometimes, and then you see all these people, some of them look attractive, and then the light turns on, you're like, holy crap, you look totally different than what I imagined. That's exactly what happened last night. So all in all, it's pretty good. I'm impressed with it. Everything looks good. So I'll just give a comparison between the stock camera app and the gcam camera app. So if you want to see that, go ahead and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful Sunday. Take care. Peace.